Stop paying for the $7 side hustle. The $7 side hustle is the biggest scam out there because you get in for $7, you get the most basic information, then they try and upsell you a $2,500 course before you can start making any real money. That is the biggest scam because if you're someone who's looking to create a full-time income online, if you don't happen to have an extra $2,500 laying around, then it's pretty much useless. I literally gave away my exact blueprint, my exact daily routine completely for free on my YouTube channel. You can check it out by going to the URL on screen. And I show you exactly step by step how I create a full-time income online. You literally get my entire blueprint, everything that I do on a day-to-day basis to create a full-time income online. And if you want, you can follow that as a complete newbie. And I have this set up in a way where even if you're brand new, even if you're non-techie, you could actually follow this training and get results for yourself. Now, last thing I want to mention is I keep my phone number on my videos right here. So if you got any questions before getting started, you could shoot me a quick text. And if you decide that it's not a fit for you, no worries. I don't even ask for your email. You could see literally everything that I do right here before you even get started. So check it out right there. See you on the inside.